Bowlers, are you tired of just leaving splits all the time and your ball hooks just too much down lane? Well, the new Storm Level is going to be for you. Let's check it out. All right, guys, a lot of technology here in the new Storm Lab Series ball. The Level, it's the first in the series. It's a 1,000 grit Abralon. It's a high RG, low differential. And for those numbers here, we're gonna just take a quick look. The radius gyration number 2.59, which is really high, and the differential 0.27 is really low. So what that's gonna do for you guys is get the ball further down the lane, but have a smooth and predictable and continuous motion through the pins. A lot of bowling balls have the ball go really far, but really snap down lane, and they're really aggressive and strong. And something like this is gonna be a little bit smoother throughout the entire lane itself, which will create that predictable motion that I think most bowlers are gonna be really excited about. So let's take a look out on the lanes and we'll throw out some shots and see how it goes. So there's some shots with the Storm Level, guys, really predictable and continuous. I bowled on just leftover house. This is from yesterday's league, open play, and then the seniors this morning. So bowling on that, throwing this, really predictable, continuous motion. Really enjoyed it. The Ion Pro is a little sharp down lane for what we were bowling on today. And now we're gonna go back to the bowling store and take a look and finalize our review. All right, everyone, off the lanes now with the new Storm Level, a really level and stable ball motion, right? Really predictable and continuous. This new ball is part of the new Lab Series from Storm, and it's a really high RG and low differential like we talked about. So I put a 50 by 5 by 30 layout, which is also 5 by 4 by 2 VLS from Storm. And I feel that's just gonna give me the motion I need on a lot of patterns. It's gonna be that get out of jail free card, basically, right? A lot of balls are taking off down lane and there's a lot of motion that's maybe unpredictable, but something like this is gonna be a staple in my bag to make sure I have a motion that I can really trust. I threw that Ion Pro in the video as well and noticed how much that had down lane, and this one was just smoother and more continuous. The RPM coverstock technology is fantastic as well, that solid coverstock at 1,000 grit Abralon. I'm going to change the surface depending on what I'm bowling on, but out of the box it was fantastic. And the Equalizer A.I core technology is fantastic too. So if you'd like to get yours, head over to proapproachbowling.com and get your new storm level. We'll see you all out on the lanes. I forgot to smell the ball. It smells like grapes and apples, and I actually know what this one is. It's called grapple. So make sure to smell your balls and get yours at proapproachbowling.com.